Monday, traders. It is Matt and Jacey with Empire Algorithmic Trading here to bring you your daily dose of VWAP Vision Stock Talk.
It's where the volume weighted average price helps us make sense of the market. So let's get right to it, Matt. Time for a little stock talk.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Jace, it's the beginning of the week. No fluff, no pomp, no circumstance. Let's get to it. What did the markets do today?
Well, not much. So it's going to be a quick, easy one, it's kind of nice. So S&P 100, S&P 500, I shouldn't say, S&P 500 was flat on the day, up 0.2%. Nasdaq Composite up about 0.3%, but very tight ranges, right? Like look at these candles, very, very small, tight ranges on the Nasdaq. Same thing with the small caps, down a little bit of a breath there. Opened up, closed down, but again, it's just down 0.12%, right? Down 26 cents. Not a lot of
Yep,
movement. And then
yep.
same thing with the mid caps, down 0.2%. Still hanging right above the VWAP there, looking good. And then bonds, similar pattern with the bonds. Just a very quiet ho hum day across the board.
Okay, well, hopefully the next part is not ho hum. The next part, we are going to start talking about some of our big movers on the day. All of these movers have been brought to us by our algorithmic daily buy and sell signals, and you can get access to those signals over at our Patreon, patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading. So in the meantime, Jace, what did the movers do?
Well, it was a relatively ho-hum day for them as well, simply
Oh
because
no.
we didn't have any double-digit movers. So it seemed like last week, every day there was something that was moving 10, 15, 20%. Today, one of the best performers was ACMR up a measly 6.8%. I mean, just a terrible day for ACMR shareholders. But yeah, up 6.8%. Breakout was back here on July 2nd at 27.55, currently at 31.98. Credo flashed a buy signal, another buy signal. This one's just cruising right along, bouncing right off the 10-day. Couple of three and goes, another three and go, followed through nicely, up 6.6%. I'm going to drop a little green arrow here for Friday's breakout. Coherent, beautiful, nice. After kind
Yeah.
of a slow start, this thing is just really coming alive. Gapped up 4%, new high for the rally. I'm not sure if this is a new all-time. No, not a new all-time high, but getting closer. Really good look there. And Vertiv Holdings, after shaking out, beautiful shakeout right down here at the 20-day moving average, rallied up strongly above it and then just continues to go.
Love
Nice,
it.
strong 3.7% rally for Vertiv
Yeah.
Holdings. And that's getting close to a new high as well. And then on the downside, we had AAOI. This one was one that I did trade. It was a breakout of ours twice. It broke down here and then broke out here. It just never really quite got anywhere. The reason why I brought this up, because I kind of wanted to show a little bit of what happened. So it trades underneath the 20-day moving average, where we find that the 20-day is basically the line in the sand for a lot of the stocks during this run. So what happened was it traded what we seem to find is if buyers are going to come in, it's right away. So this one came, it didn't. The buyers kind of came in, found resistance at the 10-day, found resistance at the 10-day, again, found resistance at the 10-day, and then finally sellers just took control. Stock dropped down about 7%. So it gave you plenty of warning signs. The first sign was the 10-day moving average. I'm sorry, the 20-day break of the 20-day moving average, but the fact that it wasn't able to recover. So if you get a stock that breaks the 20-day, you want to see how does it react. You don't really particularly want to sell it on that break because buyers might come in and push it back up. But just see how it reacts the day or two after. And if you don't see any buyers come in, then it's probably a pretty legit sell signals. The buyers are going to come back in and really push the stock down in a couple of days. So just a little advance on just how to look at some of these stocks that flashing some sell signals, but not really breaking really hard. But for the most part, quiet day all around. Just calm before the massive storm that is earnings season this week. I think in earnest it starts tomorrow, and I think Wednesday is the big day. So it's Wednesday and Thursday are going to be pretty wild sessions, I think.
Yeah, buckle up, buttercups. We're going to make some money.
Hopefully, right? Yeah, let's get it going.
Well, that is it for Stock Talk today. Thank you, everybody, for listening on Spotify, watching on YouTube. Make sure to click that like, subscribe, rate, review us, get us bumping up in those rankings, and share it with your friends. Let them know, hey, I get my daily stock advice from Empire Algorithmic Trading. Check these guys out. Also, follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, X, Blue Sky. We're on them all. We like to give away some freebies. We also like to do some Trader Tip Tuesdays, different things like that. And we like to interact with you. Tell us what you're trading. Tell us what's winning for you. Tell us where your losers are and why your gut got the better of you. Also, if you want to know more about who we are and what we do, check out our website, VWAPvision.com. That's VWAP vision.com. And last but not least, Patreon, baby. That's where we're at. Patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading. Get access to our daily algorithmic buy and sell signals. See some interactive videos where Jason and I talk you through how we use our system in our trading, why we set our stops where we set them. Jace does a great job of breaking down percentages and telling you exactly why what he does works and how he came up with it. Also, we have access to some really cool traders over there. So again, patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading for all your daily signals. That being said, everybody, we will see you at Arrow Review to our subscribers. And Jace, happy trading, buddy.
Happy trading, my friend. We'll see you during Arrow Review. I'm excited. Should be a good one.